Hi everyone, it's Kyle here. Today I'm going to do a top 5 list of my top 5 favorite bird breeds, species, etc. Alright, here we go. Number 5 would be the rainbow toucan. It's a pretty colorful bird. So a picture of it real quick. On it. There you go. It's a pretty colorful bird. You can see it. Yeah. Just a picture of it. There's another one. Really like it. It's pretty colorful. It's got like a long beak on it. So yeah, definitely rainbow toucan bird. Alright, moving on. Number 4 on my list will be the peregrine falcon. Now this bird can go real fast. It's a pretty cool looking bird. Really enjoy it. It's a pretty cool bird. They can fly very fast. Pretty awesome. So yeah, definitely peregrine falcon. Alright, number 3 on my list will be the emperor penguin. They can't fly, but they're still pretty cool birds. So yeah, definitely check that out. Emperor penguin. Alright, number 2 on the list will be snow the owl. Look at how cool that bird is. It's got its wingspan come out. And last but not least is novice pick for me is the American bald eagle. It's a majestic bird, pretty awesome. Another picture of him. So yeah, that's my list of my top 5 favorite birds. Let me know which ones are your favorite. Are the same as mine or different? Let me know. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hope you all doing well. And have a nice day. And happy Easter tomorrow. And stay tuned for more top 5 favorite lists from me. Bye now.